Lumberjack puzzle, a 15 wooden stick structure. A 6 stick here, 5 here, and 4 here. To take apart this puzzle, we need to have the right positions for it, meaning we need to have the 4 stick facing up, the 6 stick facing the side, and the 5 stick facing to me. When the puzzle is in this position, you try to slide this stick. If it's not working, just flip the puzzle and try again. Like you can see, it's sliding very well. Now you can take apart the puzzle, take these two, this one slide, this one come, this one slide, and now we have a beautiful mess. Before to put back together the puzzle, we're going to take a closer look at the piece. We have this stick, like you can see, absolutely no cutout, only one piece like that. Next, we have this stick, only one cutout, nothing here, only one piece like that. Next, we have two sticks, they are identical. One and one cutout, and two cutouts here. Two sticks like that. Next, we have, okay, let's see, three sticks like that. 1, 2, 3 cutouts, and nothing here. 3 sticks. We have 8 sticks left, and they are all the same. Alors, 2 cutouts, 1, 2, and 3 cutouts, and one side nothing. To put back the puzzle together, we're going to take one of these sticks. We want the 3 cutouts facing, or they're up for the moment, and the 2 cutout here facing the right. We have one stick like that, and we're going to place the stick on the first cutout, this way. We're going to take another stick like that, with the 3 cutout, and we're going to place the stick here. Donc, we just slide the stick. Next, we're going to take one of these sticks, and that will be the same. Donc, les 3 cutouts going to face to me, and the 2 cutouts going to face the left. Donc, you just slide the stick, and we are here. No, I'm taking another stick like that, with the 3 cutouts and the 2 cutouts. The same, the 3 cutouts going to face this stick, and the 2 cutouts going to face the right. Donc, 2 cutouts facing the right, and the 3 cutouts facing the other stick. I take another one, and I do the same. Donc, the 3 cutouts going to face this stick, and the 2 cutouts going to face left. No, 2 cutouts facing left, and we have this structure. Like you can see. And normally the structure should stand up. Yes. Now I'm taking another stick like that, with the 3 cutouts and the 2 cutouts. Alors, here, the 3 cutouts going to face up, and the 2 cutouts going to face right. It's easy, the 2 cutouts going to slide along these 2 sticks, like you can see. I take another one, and I do the same on this side. Donc, the 3 cutouts going to face up, 2 cutouts going to face left, and going to slide along these 2 sticks. Now I take the last stick like that, and I'm going to slide inside. The 3 cutouts facing up. Donc I slide and that will be good. No, I take another piece like that, a 3 cutout going to face up, and a 2 cutout going to face to the back. It's slide along these 2 sticks. No, for the last stick we do the same, 3 cutout facing up, but the 2 cutout going to face to me and slide along these 2 sticks. Next, I'm going to take this stick with 1 cutout and 2 cutout. 1 cutout going to face up and the 2 cutout going to face left, and slide along these 2 sticks. Right. I take another one and I'll do the same on this side. Donc les 2 cutouts, no, facing right, and the only 1 cutout facing up. Donc facing up, and I slide along these 2 sticks. Next, I take this stick, cutout facing up, and I slide inside. And finally, the last stick without any cutout, going to slide here. That's the easy part. And that's the way to put back together Lumberjack. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.